Remove the zip ties. Turn the machine with the back facing up. Installation of floor support feet. Installation of X-axis integrated parts to body parts. Please place the X-axis parallel down and clip in the bezel on both sides at the same time. Note, the X-axis needs to be mounted parallel downwards and pressed to the bottom. Use M4 8mm screws to fix the X-axis integrated parts. Installation of 10-watt laser module. Note, the screws on the top of the backplate of the laser module need to be unscrewed by 3mm. Note, the laser module needs to be pressed to the bottom. Align the laser with the X-axis hole and tighten the 2 screws. Press and tighten the 2 screws on the back of the slide plate. Remove the contact cover of the main assembly. Installing pipe flange. Place the top cover part on the main body part. Note, the top cover is missing and the contacts of the main part need to be aligned. Push the X-axis assembly to secure the base parts and body parts with hand screws. After opening the pipe, align the opening of the pipe flange and rotate it in the direction of the threads. Note, installation of the pipe requires only 2 or 3 rotations. Removal of the pipe requires a reverse rotation. Insert machine key and turn clockwise to open. Plug in the power cord and USB cable. Long press the power button to turn on the machine and run normally. That is, the installation is completed.